The one angry.
Angry.
He's angry.
King Cobra, yeah,
King Cobra.
he's king of the snakes, the King
King of
Cobra.
snake, yes.
King of the snakes. They're pretty strong, pretty aggressive snake.
Yeah,
The King Cobra. You can hear the hissing.
Yeah. Angry.
So friendly today.
No, not so friendly. No, fair enough too. So there's a cobra right there. There you go. You don't put your finger in the cage.
Snake.
Rat snake.
Yeah, behind you.
Here's a snake. It's the special rubber snake.
My runner like I got your snake.
The rubber.
He'll be the first person he's ever been.
The rubber snake of Phuket. There you go, the famous Burmese python. A lot of problems in America and Florida with these guys being let loose in the Everglades. It's a pretty seriously strong looking snake.
You get them in Thailand as well. Phuket. So yeah, I guess they're all on the same continent, so they can travel. Yeah.
I love snake here. Everywhere.
We've got the mongoose there. He's sleeping a bit, but obviously the mongoose is the nemesis of many snakes. Is the mongoose. There you go. Yeah, got the hawk there, and over here we have the eagle. The eagle has landed. Beautiful. So here's the chicken dinner for the snakes.
For me, yeah?
Yeah, and KFC here. Human and snake. Love the chicken. Beautiful. Show's about to start. Sawadee krap. Yeah, sawadee krap.
Oh, woman. Sawadika. Be careful. Yeah. One. Oh. Yeah, just a. Careful. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Yeah. And bite. Okay. One more. Hit. Yep. Oh! Minute dead only that, yeah. But don't worry, yeah. Yes. Oh yeah.
Come on, right.
Indonesia, India, King Cobra. You want my 10 minutes, King Cobra by 10 to 20 minutes. Go on. Okay, yeah. Fighter. Red chicken fighter. Yeah, one small one, young one, the 4 minutes. The bigger. The 12 minutes. Okay. Very sharp, yeah. Very sharp tip. 52, inside about 50 to tip. Lee. Yes. Okay.
What?
There's something late.
We have barbecue.
Yeah, very good.
Let's fry the chicken.
Hit like a chicken. Yeah. Come on.
So there we go, folks, the snake park. Really good fun in there. Snake show there, big pythons and cobras, and there's even eagles and hawks and mongoose in there. And yeah, it's a quaint little place, really enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed the visit with the snake park, and thank you for dropping by. Cheers.